Tracy is excited that she got her brand new website made and was hoping to get the visitors converted into leads and then into clients. However, all she can hear is crickets, and her analytics show that her bounce rate is very high. That means people are coming to her website but just not staying there. You have less than 8 seconds to get a visitor's attention. A powerful website is actually your sales and lead generation tool, but only if it's designed with conversion in mind. By using the principles of conversion-focused web design, you can create a website that not only looks great, but also persuades your users to take the next step. Whether it's making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or requesting more information, a well-designed website can be the key to generating sales and driving your business growth. Few things to keep in mind are call to action, lead capture form, high aesthetics, and client testimonials.